Hi, my name is Ajay and welcome back to BLOGSPOT channel. I want to talk to you about today is the drastic simplification tools, probably the modification tools. By using both these commands, we can do wonders in this. My goal for today is to teach you modify commands part 1, how to move and copy objects from one place to another, and how to rotate, stretch, mirror and scale objects. Firstly, move and copy. To enable or to activate move command, simply type M in command bar or select it from modify commands. Similarly, CO for copy command. Move and copy are almost similar. The only difference is that the duplicate object is created and placed wherever it is desired in copy command. Whereas in move command, the whole object as it is moves from one place to another. Nothing else far more than this. Select the command move or copy. For now, I am selecting move command. Select the object that you wish to move and select the base point. Give the destination point. Where do you want it to move? That's it. For the same object, try selecting copy command and follow the same procedure. Leave a text in the comment box. What happened in performing copy command? Coming to stretch command, mostly it is used to alter the length of an object. For that, must ensure that the object is exploded. Seems like it's not exploded yet. Select the whole component and type X and hit enter. Locate the command and select it to activate. Suppose I am interested to stretch this rectangle about 10 units, keeping this line fixed. And then coming to rotate command. We might sometimes need to change the orientation of an object. For that, we use rotate command. To enable command, type in RO. Hit enter. Or you can even select it from the modify commands directly. I need this object to be rotated about 40 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. For that, select the object after activating the command and select the base point. Base point is fixed and based on that point only the object rotates. Type in the angle. For now, I need this object to be rotated about 40 degrees in anti-clockwise direction and press enter to get out of the command. Further, we have mirror command. Certainly, we might be creating an object same as the previous one over and over again. This might be easily done with the help of mirror command. To enable it, type in MI and press enter, or even you can select it from the modify panel. Select the object and then specify the mirror. It asks you to erase the object or not. For now, I am going with no. You can try selecting S and mention what happened in the comment box. Suppose you are intended to design something. You actually don't know about the dimension for it. You are doing it roughly. You have designed this object. Seems its size is too small. To meet the requirements, we probably use scale command. To activate it, you can type SC enter or simply select it from the modify panel. Select the object that you want to scale. Select the base point and I just want to double it to the previous size. Type in 2, hit enter. Your object seems clearly defined somewhat. If you are not satisfied with the size it got, you can even change further the scale of the object. Change the scale factor to 3 or 4, etc. Your activity is to check what happened to the object when you have given the scale factor to 0.5. Let me know that what happened through comment box. That's all about modify commands part 1. Thanks for watching. Meet you again in the part 2.